Alright, you guys, welcome back to another episode. So today we're finally doing another install on the Lexus. Today's solely dedicated to doing the install. I don't think I've done a video like this in a little while, so I'm super excited. If you haven't seen from the title already, obviously we're doing a full splitter kit. My boy Alex from AUTOWORKS, he runs AUTOWORKS. It's in Riverside, so we're headed there right now. I do need a wash. You guys can't tell, but my window is, the whole car is filthy. I just got back from Chicago. I spent almost a week out there, and my car was just sitting in the driveway, so it's dirty. And low-key, I'm running late because I'm supposed to be over there at 5 to meet up with Alex at the shop. But I don't want to pull up with my car being filthy, so I'm gonna do something that I really don't like to do, and I'm gonna run the car through a car wash at the gas station. I know some of y'all are watching this are probably cringing at that. I don't like to do that. It's either I'm washing it myself or hand wash, but whatever, it's gonna have to do for now. And it'll work. At least it's not gonna be complete just filthy as it is right now. So head over there right now. Should take me about 30 minutes to get there, but yeah, we're gonna make this stop right here at Chevron real quick. All right, so for those of you who don't live in California, just to give you guys an idea of what these prices are like, that's every day, and I have to put that in. That's every single day. Trash. In Chicago it was 3.2, and I was ecstatic. I was like, damn, you guys are so lucky to have cheap gas out here. They're cheap, and I'm yeah, this is cheap compared to what it is over here. So if you have cheap gas, stay blessed. Stay blessed. Okay, I guess we're gonna get the receipt inside, I guess, or whatever. But look, I don't know if you guys can see how dirty it is, but this window is filthy. Look at all this. Ugh. Ugh. See, we don't want that. We don't want none of that. How embarrassing that would be to just pull up like that. Don't be pulling up to shops all hella dirty like that. Alright? Alright, got a cold, boys. Alright, let's see if we could do this without having to open up my door. Yeah, I can reach. Yeah.
3, 7, 3, 1. Thank you. For an upgrade, please deposit additional money.
Thank you.
Please select wash.
Oh. Oh. Hold on. I had to back up. Back it up. Back it up. Pause. About to pull up right now, and I'm gonna try to get a couple shots. Alex has been working super long hours, and he doesn't really want to be put on camera, so I really want to respect that. I think respecting stuff like that's important when you're going to other people's places of work. So I'm not gonna record his face or anything like that, but yeah, I'll try to get some before, and then if I can get some in the middle shots, I will. But of course I'm gonna get the after shots for sure. So I'll go ahead and pull in here. I think it's around here somewhere. Little quick run to Home Depot, get some goodies. Now we're almost done, literally almost done, finishing touches. So see you guys right now back at the shop. All right, you guys, so Alex just finished up, and sheesh, this thing looks fire, dude. I didn't realize how much how much it could change the look of the car just with the front lip alone. But damn, boy, with the rods to hold it up, dude, man. So we did have the idea to put like some of these like wings coming up a little bit, like up to like over here. So if you look at it, it'll probably come up to like up here or so. So next time we come, we're gonna put those on. Right now he's like trying to print out the label for me, because I need that secret sauce. I need people to know that my boy Alex did work. And then, so like I said, we can have the other inkling over here. But dang, man, this looks so freaking good. So I know I said that we're gonna be doing a full splitter kit, and we're gonna have Alex do the rest of the splitter kit, side skirts and the rear diffuser. I just didn't want to like bombard him with like a whole bunch of work and like one time, like because he has a bunch of other projects that he needs to get done, and I completely understand that, because he's like mainly like a one-man squad, so completely get it. But man, am I super excited to see what it looks with the whole kit on. Damn, these are so hard right here, these rods, and to see it being done too. So like I said, if you guys need any AERO work, or if you guys are looking for your car to get wrapped, or if you guys are looking for any underglow, or he can even do you know, some of your guys' lights, hit him up. I'll leave his info in the description below, you guys. Super dope work. It's all custom. And you know, obviously you get the chance to support small business, which is super important to me. I think it's really huge when people kind of like go out on their own business venture, aside from like getting the whole norm 9 to 5. So I really appreciate him kind of doing this, and him taking a step forward into like his career. So go ahead and give him a follow, you guys. It's good work being done. So hopefully I don't mess this up as much as I think I'm going to mess it up, only because I'm on coilovers, not bags. So yeah. Got the AUTOWORKS symbol logo on this, and now it's authentic. I'm telling y'all, hit my boy Alex, link in the description. Hello. Hey guys, so I just got home and got out the car, and I've like low-key been like staring at the front end for a little bit before I go inside. And dude, it looks so freaking good, man. I just want to give a big shout out to Alex. If you guys don't know who he is, might have seen his car on social media, Instagram, as Grumpy's350. But if you don't know him, yo, super chill guy. I really appreciate you, man, and all the hard work you do. That's one of the specific reasons why I wanted to give you my business, bro. And I honestly like the design. I think it's really cool. So appreciate you, my guy, and your hospitality. Thanks. All in all, I'm super happy with this install. I'm so glad that I got to, like, you know, add on to the car again already after so long. So I hope you guys like it. A matter of fact, tell me what you guys think about the new splitter or front lip in the comments down below. If you like it, you hate it. I really love what I do, and I want to do this for as long as I possibly can. Ah, there's a bug on me. Ah, there's a bug on me. I swear, if I got bit again, I'll be pissed. Anyways, that's all I got for this video, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like I said, and like the video if you guys like what you see. Like I said, it truly helps me out. And it's been a while since we kind of closed out, so let's do this the right way. It's all about longevity, you guys, so make sure you live long and prosper, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.